Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making our own Thanksgiving dinner even though it is December 4th.
It's a healthy version.
It's a healthy version. Thanksgiving's pretty healthy. Well, I don't know if you guys remember, but I made a turkey last year in the Instant Pot and it was so much easier and so much faster than like traditional all day cooking your turkey, and it came out moist and it was delicious. So we're repeating that again. We got turkey in here. It's been in here for 1 hour. Jamie spatchcocked it and broke it in half and ripped all its bones out like a wild animal. I'm just kidding, but it's in here. After that we're gonna broil it. He only ripped its backbone out and went. He like gave it CPR and like crushed the ribs like. After that, we're gonna broil it just until it's brown, and I don't remember how long that'll be, so we're just gonna use our eyes and decide. For the sides, we're gonna do red potatoes wherever they are, and because we like fast and easy around here, we are gonna do frozen peas as our vegetable, and this is gonna be our squash. It's already pre-cooked, diced up, easy. All I gotta do is boil it and season it, and it's gonna be great. We're just gonna boil the potatoes first and then whip them up. Now for the grand finale. This is the real reason why I'm making this YouTube video, because you guys are gonna love this recipe here for you. It's gonna be super healthy. You can eat it whenever you want. We're gonna eat it throughout the week as a protein snack, but it's really a dessert disguised as a protein snack. Oh, vice versa.
2 pieces.
Vice versa, swap it around. So this is what we're making. We're making pumpkin pie, but I'm gonna be using Greek yogurt and sugar-free cheesecake jello flavoring, and I'm gonna make a delicious pumpkin pie. It's gonna go in this crust here, and it's basically, I'm gonna use a little bit of stevia, but I'll show you how to do it. And it's basically, all it is pumpkin and yogurt, and pumpkin is super good for you as it is by itself, and so is Greek yogurt. So there you go. It's gonna be low calorie, healthy, guilt-free. Eat it whenever you want. I'm gonna have to trial and error this, because I don't have a recipe written out for this. This is gonna be trial and error and tasting as I go. Is this bowl dirty? No, it's just old. Alright, so all we need is this. It's for this whole entire jar, it's like 120 calories or something. I don't think it's even doing anything. If anyone knows me and knows what I want for Christmas, I'll tell you. New can opener, or maybe an automatic can opener. Oh, there we go.
I thought you bought one of those on Amazon.
I was gonna, but they seem to be kind of expensive and bulky. So I figured I didn't want to waste my money on it. But if it was a gift, then I'll love it. I'm actually gonna whip it once I got all the ingredients together.
Whip it real good.
I think so. Alright, so I'm dumping this whole entire can of pumpkin in here.
Look at that, it's like big.
You can actually just eat it as it is, plain. It just doesn't have a lot of flavor. It smells delicious.
Take a bite.
I got gum in my mouth.
Never mind, don't take a bite.
You know what else? Who else likes pumpkin?
Who?
Cindy.
Cindy the limper. Come here, Cindy. Cindy's a
Don't make her get up.
Cindy's got a wounded leg.
Oh, alright.
She's got a limp.
Just a little for the dog.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Alright. I don't know that I need all of this.
You might as well.
I might as well.
It's only 100 calories for the whole box.
I know, but it's gonna be like, alright, whatever.
It's up to you. You want it to be really pudding-y, don't you? Because it's no bake.
I know, but that's a tiny ass pumpkin crust. I guess I don't need to use all the batter. We could always
Yeah.
Eat some of it.
See how much goes in.
That's a lot. Look at all that.
That's good. Are you gonna put water in there too?
Nope.
Or you're just gonna whip it up like that? Oh wait, you're putting yogurt in it, right?
Yep. Alright, so far we've done 1 can of pumpkin. This is pumpkin pie seasoning. We need a lot of that.
See it.
Alright, the turkey's done, so we're gonna get ready to broil that. But first, I'm in the middle of this. So, this is Too Good yogurt. We always eat this. It's really good macros. So I'm gonna mix this up because it's a little watery at the top. I'm gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna start with putting just 1 cup of Greek yogurt in there. And then I'm gonna beat it together and just check the consistency before I put any more. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be the best low-calorie, healthiest dessert you could ever eat in your entire life. I gotta make a cookbook. I'm telling you, I have all these hacks and tricks in my head that I try to share, but I always forget, and I just end up keeping them all to myself, so I need to write a book. All right, that looks good. So let's get together 1 cup. This is also vanilla yogurt, but you could use plain yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. You just don't want to use like blueberry. Or maybe you do, I don't know. Blueberry and pumpkin, does that go?
I don't know.
Oh.
There you go.
You know, I've never done this before.
Mm-hmm.
This was just one of my brilliant ideas. See, I've been thinking about this for many days, but I just have not done it yet. I've been doing it just with the yogurt, no pie crust, but not blending it. I just mix it with a spoon and eat it with my yogurt.
I love pumpkin pie with whipped cream on top.
Oh, you should have told me that. I would have got cool with it. We could do almond milk, or we could put more yogurt in it.
Give it a try.
It's pretty good. I personally like it a little sweeter, so I would put some stevia in this, but let's see what old husband thinks.
Let me get a spoon real quick to try it out. That tastes perfect to me.
No more sugar?
Not for me, but that's good.
All right. All right, so all I'm gonna do now is just empty the mixings into the pie crust, and then I'm gonna let it sit. And once we're done with our turkey, we'll eat this last. Oh, it smells so good.
I know, it does smell really delicious.
And it's healthy, guys. It's literally yogurt and pumpkin. It's amazing.
With some Jello mix.
Yeah, Jello mix.
But sugar-free Jello mix.
All right, guys, an hour has gone by. The turkey is done. So now, here it is in the Instant Pot. We got one more step. We're gonna put it in this here, lay it out, put some Pam on top, and add some more spices, and then we're gonna broil it. Probably for maybe 30 minutes or so to get a nice brown coat while we make gravy and the rest of the sides. Oh boy, oh boy. That's half of it. Oh,
Sort of.
that's all right. That's gonna be some delicious thick gravy. All right, this is gonna be a side, and this is gonna be a side. I'm getting them all ready. We're gonna put a little almond milk and Laughing Cow cheese in our whipped potatoes. Hubby's making gravy right here. Turkey's still waiting for the broiler to be ready. Potatoes are boiling in some of the turkey juice. These just have to be boiled. The butternut squash, I spiced it up. We got the gravy pretty much done. These are done, ready to be whipped. This is ready to go in. We're getting there. I put 2 Laughing Cow cheeses in there, some of the turkey broth, garlic, salt. I didn't put any pepper yet. But I'm gonna blend this and see what it looks like. Might add some almond milk too. 1 scoop of this in there, maybe 2. Jamie and Jamie's own personal Thanksgiving. Touch of gravy on top. Perfect. Look at that. We got the squash, the mashed potatoes, the peas, and the turkey. Mmm. Alright guys, dinner is done. Wait a second, I meant lunch. Lunch is done.
Basically was a dinner.
So now it's time for us to try our little dessert.
How big of a piece do you want?
Not too big. It's a normal sized pie. Hey, that came out pretty good. Look at that. And then look at mine. It died. This actually came out. What if we froze it? Maybe that would have been better.
Yeah, we could freeze it. We still can.
Yeah, let's freeze it.
Again.
Still good, even though it's messy. Still delicious. We're gonna try to freeze it, and we'll see how that turns out. Yeah, there we go. Now this is how you're gonna have to eat it. Frozen. That looks better.
See that? Oh.
Oh, there we go. That's how you do it. You just gotta freeze it.
Oh, that looks good. There you go.
Let me see the side cut. Perfect. All right, guys. So the final instruction: freeze the pie. He just wants to have pie for dinner. All right, guys. That concludes this video. See you soon.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.